Well, hey, I didn't see you guys there. Real excited to show you guys what we got going on here today. So we finally finished the lift kit on Greg's tracker. Got some new wheels and tires on there, and we also put some real exciting stuff. We got aftermarket 4x4 skid plates. Let's go take a look and see what we got going on over here. So if you see right here, we have this nice gas tank skid plate for the 4-door tracker. We also do have one for the 2-door model. Let's go take a look at the front underbelly. Well, hey, so I wanted to show you about this nice underbelly skid plate. So my underbelly might not need some protection, but this here Suzuki, it's gonna need it when we're taking on some good trails. So remember, if the women don't find you handsome, at least you have a Suzuki.